In this tutorial, you will learn how to export the manure application records you created in the Manure Tracker app and import them into SnapPlus. Note: this video only covers how to import manure records into SnapPlus for advanced fields, but this can also be done for basic fields. For CAFO farms, we recommend you only use records from advanced fields to comply with record-keeping standards. Once you have entered all manure applications to the Manure Tracker app, you can send the application history of each field via email by going to the New Application screen of the field and tapping the Email button. This operation will create a CSV file of your field data that you can then email to yourself or your planner to be saved in a spreadsheet or imported into SnapPlus. Be sure to do this often so your records are backed up somewhere safe in case you lose your smartphone. Open the email in your inbox and download the CSV file to your computer. This file must be in the format of an Excel workbook, so we are going to convert it by opening up the CSV file, going to File, then Save As. I am going to save it to my SnapPlus import folder so I can easily find it when importing it into SnapPlus. Once you have chosen its destination, select the file type by clicking the drop-down menu next to Save As Type and choosing the Excel workbook as a file type. Then click Save. Now you can import the records into SnapPlus. Open up your farm in SnapPlus and go to the Records tab. Click Import Record Log File, then click Select File to import. This should open up your SnapPlus import folder that we just added our manure records file to. Select the file and click Open. Now you should see a preview of the file you are importing, and you can make edits to it as needed. You may need to change the manure source if you named it differently in SnapPlus. Once you have finished your edits, select Import to SnapPlus. This will add your manure applications of that field to your records in SnapPlus. You will need to repeat this whole process for each field. This is the end of the tutorial on exporting your manure reports from the Manure Tracker app and importing them to SnapPlus.